Hi, I'm Amanda Pasciucco, PhD clinical sexologist, AASECT certified sex therapist, licensed marriage and family therapist, and we're going to talk about making her orgasm. 1, every person's body is unique. So just because you can make one woman orgasm doesn't mean that you can make all women orgasm. The most important thing you need to have here is curiosity. Your curiosity is an asset, not something that is going to be annoying or burdensome. Also, communication, exploration, being respectful, and having consent are all things that elevate pleasure because the person that you're having sex with gets to be able to calm down when they feel that they're being respected, listened to, cared for. Prioritize one person's pleasure over the other. Instead of prioritizing both people's pleasure at the same time, you don't have to do that. Like literally, you do not have to do that. You can say, tonight's about you, next week will be about me. You're actually allowed to take turns. Not all sex that you have with a partner is like porn. Porn is for entertainment. So you don't have to have both people orgasm in partnered sex. Next, plan time for sex. Literally schedule it, because if you don't plan, you might then feel like you're failing at the sex thing. If you're putting everything else on the calendar, why not sex? Just because you put something on the calendar, like a sports event, doesn't mean that you don't enjoy the sports event just because you know it's coming up. Telling her that there's nowhere to go, nowhere to be, and that we're not in a rush is also really important. Make sure that you set at least 30 minutes for pleasure towards her body. That's about how long it takes for a woman's body to kind of wake up and get totally aroused. It's not that quick, which is okay. We're not in a rush, nowhere to go, nowhere to be. So once you calm down those internal nerves, if you're still having difficulty, maybe you want to catch our Bliss therapy video as a way to understand that elusive female orgasm. YouTube 10 for $10 off. But if you have questions, comments about your favorite way to make her orgasm, I'd love to hear them below. And if you have any ideas on topics that you'd like to learn about, we would love to hear them. Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Look forward to seeing you. Catch you in the next one.